This time around, it's time to create time for my business.
Hello, my people. How na day? I greet the house. Oh, himamie be erule. Na be abat. Yawe egbe ohene erane menye. Abati. Now. Abba say, he want focus for his business. After Ogbo where you send me lane. After he don't draw his siblings, make them come do saga. Now Abba come they like tell us say he want focus for his business. Abba, why you not focus before? Why you can't be say after you don't draw chair? Now you want come focus. No, Abba, you know they work like that now. I go put this video more and watch. Even if brother way be said that they call smart. Anyway, Abba is your koye do. Una go see watch the video. Or what bat is or working your bats or college your bat go one way. Or ko han swan and denia. Yan mind where of your be. This matter, it got too sweet. Oh, now bat na eko sound. You see everything where be say just they go on. Now bat your Betty. Now you can say no, they do again. Say you want they do a business. They say they do it like that. Shall we go just finish her once and for us? Because the time when people they like say people they tell and say family matter is not good for social media. No carry and come. You feel they say no, now let me wine go rub. Who tell you we go rub your mama, your papa, all your brothers, even the family where you for marry, you go rub all of them. Now it be family issue. That's what it be. Instead of her to come out to apologize to everybody, say, in my get your J, you get the devil musodoni. I for not just go that side though. I for not even make sure say family issue safe. I don't know, say that's so it be. About now can they do like say, if they sell land, make una see a number for there. You want to start your business again. You want to start the business again. If you want to give me a bit, I don't understand that part. When we are you say you go make sure say you bring all your brothers down. You say you want draw them down. Only 2 videos you draw entire house. You see that your brother will be say a day for America. Or more no. You see the way we take give you woto. He said, may we ask you what happened to your first marriage where you do. And may you go bring your say we no who were school. Say we no go school. Say may you bring your paper come. Which one I can't talk again? Many things where you talk. I bet can't they bring them one by one for us? How you can say you want to tell us say now you know they do again? This time around is you want to focus on your business. Fact, just stop on. Package that your business. Put on for one place. Put that your business for one place. Fact can't tell us all this thing where be say your brother they bring comments. Okay? So that hey, that one go see there. Because this one where you do so, but when you send me land, you want to wrong, go inside say you know they do again. And they still they do one like that. Now they do one like that to finish where till you start. You want to do saga with them. You think say they not get maths, they not go fit talk. Not be so it they happen. If your siblings they respect you, that respect you go hold on tight. Hold on gidigba. Otherwise, if you drop them anyhow, they go through where? Here. Tissue paper where they take the clean and shh. So you want to start a business. More than listen to this video. Hey, you don't shop another one.
This time around, it's time to create time for my business. I don't create time.
About stop that thing. Stop that thing. After when you say you want to do saga with your people, now you want to create time for your business. Fair leave that business. Put am for one corner. Oh yeah, come finish the saga.
So rolling your jobs back. Just shuttle. Now small I take for you. I'm into entertainment in the UK. Now me the host the Stalker show. March 29. Easter Good Friday. Now me the host the show. People are going to come to patronize me. Now me the host the show. Now me host Edo Pikin show. Now me host Esther Edo Pine show. So if you say I don't have a job in the UK, think twice. Because I have a job. I am self-employed.
The one where to come before now, you see the
I'm self-employed. I have my company account in the UK. I have my company account in Nigeria.
Okay.
I carry brain. I carry grace. I am hardworking. I am a giver. I am kind-hearted.
Okay.
So I never relocated to close my business. And join me if you are a true fan. Ignore talks. When the going was good, I was the best. Now everywhere, one share Gary, I am the worst. I'm the Timo.
Everywhere one share Gary. Now you can't tell us so. Now you can't they tell people say everywhere one share Gary. Oh, now we not hear from your brothers, man. Now you can sit down for live video. Una do ata loy. Wait till you see, wait till you not see. Now you can't they tell us so.
Evil, I'm the fraud. I'm the this. I don't go school. I don't get certificate. I don't get anything. I don't think good right now. Nothing good. Nothing good. Please, as a fan, you have my number. Join me. Rebuild my business. Join me. I'm appealing. You see where they are insulting me. If you can defend me, if you cannot defend me, just chill.
Okay.
Oda Agori, Eri Kagbo, so to be too sweet.
Ew.
So please, if you have good and genuine land to say,
who they breathe? Ahmad, see, I hear one story. Ahmad, your wife, you say, your wife, mama, don't they 20 by mercy for us for Edo. Your wife, mama, say, they come for Ogbe. Say that they come for us. Voice people don't come outside. Ahmad, I swear to God, today to my last blood. You go do that video. They don't call me. They say, make I leave you. They say, make I cheat. Come when they call and say, your wife parents, your wife, they say they be Ogbe people. They say that they come, they say they be Ogbe. They say that it's a faggy. I swear to God, the next 24 hours, Abad, the next 24 hours for PD, the next 24 hours, see what you go play. See, I want to say Western Union. See what you go play for the next 24 hours.
Abba socio Kojevo. Abba Obazee. Abba don't cause quarrel. He don't cause everything. Hey! Jonah the year so. Jonah the year. Now Abba Obazee. Now he cause everything where they go on so. Now you see? Even Gorishi Modailo. Nobody even know the Modailo. Now Abba now draw the woman leg come out. Now Abba now draw all his brothers. Now he dread the come out. Abba don't draw the come out now. What you want happen for a donor? We don't know. The Modaila with him mama they play before. Abba is your Kojevo. Omona agugwaneho. A senior brother we no get sense. Chionasian, waiting the cost. Now you want to tell us say you want focus on the business. About you leave your business so this issue may you can't set one. If you not set one, where you they go? Which kind of business you want to do? You don't know say your business dead there before you say you want to do saga with your siblings. Okay, you don't know. Hey, my people wanna share this video for me. Love and like this video. We there yeah. Now about give us work. He said me we can't say if family see as they be. Una know now what work we they do. The good one we go tell them. The bad one we go still tell them. As I hear that thing, now come out, I tell Abat, say, Abat, enter us. You be senior. No come for your hand for where your brothers dey. Abat, Imao, any na can back here your own. He say, no, they hear words. As he come out, now he do the second video. Baka! Now he brothers, see, na wa veladia. They say, they want eat taro. And then we call them, Abat, you go wait, make they eat you raw. Now, Abat, don't they run, they go. He say, no, they wait again. Waiting make Abat not fair. Waiting make her not fair humble before. Now we be say brother, they don't try. They say they don't agree again. Now, Modailo don't enter. Modailo with Modailo, they are not fighting. Modailo for this side, Mama Abat for the other side. They are not dragging themselves. Say, my picture don't they fly for social media. Before nobody even know the Modailo. Nobody know. Now Abat you're so your talk. Or your talk. Or now you wear your agua selling. Or when you handle it, now you want say you want to go do business. Which kind of business be that one? But fair can resolve the issue where they ground before you go face business. Because nowadays, where me on hire with business here, why not me on hire with business? Let me to share this video. Bye for now. I bet if you be senior, your siblings, they respect you. They respect you, you say, because if you throw where they go use you take below talk. You not go believe your eye. Then they happen to Abat so. Because Abat did not even believe, say, any of them go even talk to them. This our brother where they call it smart so. I'm not saying Abat, be like saying Abat senior and 3 times, I be 2 times, which I don't know. Abat be not believe say go get time to even do 1 video because this one they work 2 times. Now 2 job now saying get. Abat be the thing say make no say Abat not they do anything now inside house today. Oh worry by for now you can live video can they chat. So if be the thing say nobody go fit talk to her. Nobody go talk. Before this one go morning walk, go evening walk, he go tire. So the thing come like, he can't shock her. Call who can say, see video they fly up and down. I bet he said they not talk to me. Nah, about now so it be. When they give you respect, you not carry that respect. They go carry them for your hand. They go through where. Yeah, book beju yeah, book beju yeah, see where tan. So make I tell you, first of all, come resolve this issue before you say you want to go face your business. So, now the truth. Because now you carry them come. So now you know as the way you want to stay carry them enter his house. Because they still there outside. They never enter his house. Make sure say you carry them enter inside house. Go settle the issue. If you don't settle the issue before you come face your business. So that is that, my people. Bye for now. I'm gonna share this video for me. God bless you all. Respect yourself as a senior. Otherwise, you and your it's one book where you on when your brothers they'll come they insult you. That respect don't go. It don't go. Like Abat now. Anything we can't talk here when you be vague Oswald or Jono Miami rock. Now so it be. Now I make all that respect. It not be all that. I am not me.